5 tips to determine if your healthy food is actually healthy. There is nothing more frustrating than spending your money on what you think are healthy foods only to find out you've been duped, because that healthy food isn't really all that healthy at all. To prevent this from happening, follow these 5 tips to determine whether your supposedly healthy food is actually healthy. Start with the natural stuff. You can't entirely avoid chemicals in your food, and what is more, avoiding them may cost you big in taste, but that doesn't mean we can't seek out foods that are as close to their natural form as possible when it comes to produce. Go for fruits and vegetables with lots of color. That signifies a lot of antioxidant compounds, which our bodies need for detoxification and good health. Look at the protein content. Protein is essential for energy and cell repair. If a healthy food has little protein or none at all, you might want to steer clear of it. Focus on fresh meats and vegetables for your protein source. Nuts, seeds, and beans are good. Nuts and seeds are rich in healthy fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. They're also easy to take with you on the go, and a great way to curb hunger between meals. Nuts and seeds are generally low in carbohydrates, particularly when eaten raw or dry roasted, and high in fiber. Consuming them may help decrease cholesterol levels as well. Beans contain soluble fiber, which helps control blood sugar levels by slowing down digestion of foods containing carbohydrates. Processed foods can still be good. Fresh foods are always preferred, but there are times when processed foods can be a healthy choice if you're preparing a meal for your family, especially for kids who don't like all that much healthy food and just want something that tastes good. Then frozen or canned vegetables and fruits can be just as healthy as fresh ones. In addition, many of these products now have fewer additives and preservatives than they did years ago. Just because it is healthy doesn't mean you should eat it all the time. Fruits and vegetables are nutritious, but they are also high in sugar and carbs. Be aware of what you eat, because a diet high in sugar can lead to weight gain. If you want to follow a healthy diet, stick with fresh foods made from natural ingredients whenever possible. However, it is okay to indulge sometimes, as long as you don't overdo it. It's all about balance.